Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a calm honest skincare routine. I've been using few of the products which I've been wanting to try for quite some time, and it is not about trends or hype, just gentle effective skincare that feels good on the skin. So let's start with cleansing. I'm talking about the Aveeno Nourishing Oat Cleanser. It is one of those no drama cleansers your skin actually will thank you for. It is so free, fragrance free, and powered by prebiotic oat, which helps support the skin barrier instead of stripping it. Now this is a soft gel that turns slightly milky when you massage it in. It cleanses well without the tight squeaky feeling, which is honestly a green flag. So if your skin feels irritated, dehydrated, or just needs a break from the harsh actives, just give this a try. It removes daily dirt, light makeup beautifully, but still leaves the skin calm and balanced. Now next, let's talk about the Olay Super Collagen Peptide Moisturizer. This is a product which I have been wanting to try for quite some time because it has got multiple reviews which are positive reviews, and I just wanted to give this a try. This is collagen peptide. Now collagen peptide don't replace collagen in the skin, but they do help support the skin structure by improving hydration and elasticity. Now this formula feels lightweight, absorbs quickly, layers really well under moisturizer or sunscreen. What I like here is that it doesn't feel sticky or heavy, which makes it suitable even for daytime routines. With regular use, skin does feel smoother, plumper, and more fresh, but it has got some heavy fragrance in it, so be careful if you are like sensitive to fragrance. But now this eye serum from Beauty of Joseon is a beautiful blend of ginseng extract and retinal, which sounds intense but the formulation is surprisingly gentle. It is silky and lightweight, and a tiny amount goes a long way. It hydrates the under eye area while helping with fine lines, tired looking eyes, wrinkles, but it might or might not support with darkness, which I'm not sure because you need to have good amount of sleep for that. Now, this multi-purpose silicone scar sheets are a very underrated skincare tool. They work by creating a protective barrier that locks in moisture, helps improve the appearance of scars over time. Now, I have got this especially for anti-aging benefits to get rid of any wrinkles on the forehead area. I've got this tip from some dermatologist on Instagram. I just thought of trying it myself. So I just paste it on my forehead area, which is prone to wrinkles down the line. Yeah, so they are soft, flexible, and comfortable. It can also be used on acne scars, surgical scars, stretch marks, or healed wounds. Now this is more about patience and consistency than instant results, but let's see. I will definitely update you guys after using it for quite some time, but as of now, yeah, I do use it only on my forehead for wrinkles, and let's see if it gives some results or not. Now the next two are body care products. The first one is the Moha Rejuvenating Massage Oil. It is such a grounding, relaxing product designed rich with Ayurvedic oils that helps nourish the skin, improve circulation, and relieve muscle tension. This has a very calming aroma, and I really love that smell. I love using this for self massage, especially even after bath or before bath. But yeah, it does calm my nerves. Even though I am sure like you have heard that fragrance is not good and all of those, but I definitely need it for my nerves to calm down. Now next is Dove Glowy Recharge Body Wash. Now this is about cleansing with pampering feel, and this is everyday body wash if you have like lemony citrusy fragrance in it, and it is quite long lasting, moisturizing, and doesn't leave the skin squeaky clean. It has got some mini granules in it which helps to exfoliate mildly. It is perfect for mornings when you want to feel fresh, clean, and